You can get what you want. You can be what you want to be. Life is in your control. Yes, you have heard all of this before. But do you know what exactly you need to do this? Well, you just need a positive mind. In this video, I will tell you what is the law of attraction. This is such a powerful law of the universe, which will change your perspective towards life, relationship, health, and money. This law can change your circumstances too. You just need to understand what the law is about and apply in your life. Before starting on this topic, I suggest you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too for new video notifications. We have all heard about law of attraction these days. Many of you have been practicing it. But do you exactly know what is the law of attraction? The law of attraction can be understood by understanding that like attracts like. What this means is that whether we realize it or not, we are responsible for bringing both positive and negative influences in our lives. A key part of the law of attraction understands that where you place your focus can have an intense impact on what happens to you. If you spend your days wallowing in regrets about the past or fear of the future, you will likely to see more negativity appearing. But if you look for the silver lining in every experience, then you will soon start to see positivity surrounding you every day. Therefore, the law of attraction encourages you to see that you have the freedom to take control of how your future develops, shaping it in the way you choose. When you learn how to use the many powerful and practical tools associated with the law of attraction, you can start living and thinking in a more optimistic way that is specifically designed to attract even more positive events and experiences. Whatever you are looking for, whatever your dreams and goals, the law of attraction can teach you valuable lessons that will bring you closer to your most treasured ambitions. So hope you now have the clear idea of what law of attraction is. I know you want to apply this law in your life too, but my advice would be to have patience and get clear knowledge about the law of attraction. In my upcoming videos, I am going to cover more topics on law of attraction. So, if you like the video, do press the like button. Do share the video and subscribe my channel. Also, press that bell icon for new video update. Thank you for watching Positive Mind.